Hello, wonderful people. What is up? Hope you all are doing great. This is your girl Win and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Sassy Leo. So guys, as you all know that I do makeup on a regular basis. So it is equally important that I remove makeup and take care of my skin. So the first step in removing makeup is the use of a good makeup remover. Makeup remover can be of any type, that is makeup removing balm, micellar water etc. मैं micellar water use करती हूँ, but recently I just ran out of my micellar water and I just completely forgot to restock it. So I just prepared a DIY makeup remover from handy ingredients present in our homes. And why not share it with all you guys? So now without any further delay, let's just gear up and get going. Now what does DIY mean? DIY का मतलब होता है do it yourself, and I just prepared a DIY makeup remover myself, or you may also call it as a micellar water. So guys, काफी लोग कहते हैं कि micellar water की क्या जरूरत है? Why do we need a micellar water? When you need to remove makeup, just wash your face with water and soap and you're done. No guys, this is a wrong process. इस मेथड से waterproof makeup remove नहीं हो पाता. We are in a habit to use waterproof makeup such as a waterproof mascara, waterproof eyeliner and even waterproof smudge proof lipstick. So guys, ये makeup normal water and soap से remove नहीं हो पाता. When in case of a waterproof eyeliner, people tend to rub their eyes so harshly कि एक time span के बाद they develop wrinkles around this area. At the time of removing waterproof mascara, लोग अपने eyelashes को ही इतना rub करते हैं कि either their lashes come off or else the mascara stick to their lashes. It is not at all a good sign, and who wants to sleep with half makeup on? Now smudge proof lipstick निकालने के लिए भी oil इम्पोर्टेंट होता है. सो ये सिर्फ वाटर एंड सोप से स्मच प्रूफ लिपस्टिक या लिक्विड लिपस्टिक्स रिमूव नहीं होती है. सो पीपल टेंड टू रब देयर लिप्स सो हार्शली इन ऑर्डर टू रिमूव द वाटर प्रूफ स्मच प्रूफ लिक्विड लिपस्टिक एंड एंड अप डैमेजिंग देयर लिप्स. ऑल्सो our base makeup tend to settle down in our pores. Just simple water and soap वो remove नहीं कर पाते. The makeup tend to settle in our pores, and then when they rub their skin, the skin gets irritated and you result in pimples. Also, when you have makeup settle down inside your pores get clogged and you end up getting pimples and skin breaking out. So it is extremely important to remove your makeup completely. You should either use makeup removing wipes, makeup removing balm, or either micellar water. So in order to make this makeup remover, you need honey, glycerine, coconut oil or olive oil, but here I am using olive oil because I have really sensitive skin and coconut oil tends to clog my pores and I end up breaking my skin out. So I am using olive oil. Next ingredient is a face wash, aloe vera gel. You may also use plant based aloe vera gel, an empty bottle to store your micellar water, and an empty bowl. Okay guys, so first I am using aloe vera gel. Here I am using Patanjali aloe vera gel. You may use any aloe vera gel, even plant based. So I am taking a little bit of aloe vera gel, not too much. Next up, we are going to add just a bit of glycerin, not too much. थोड़ा थोड़ा ही यूज करना है. Then comes honey to make your skin soft and supple. Here I am using Patanjali honey. You may use any honey. एकदम थोड़ा सा. Yes, this much would do the job. Next comes our key ingredient, that is olive oil. This is the key ingredient because it helps to break down our waterproof makeup. So here I am using 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Our next ingredient is face wash. You may use any face wash. Here I am using Patanjali Saundarya face wash. You may use any face wash that you like. This would do the job. You just have to mix all these ingredients. ये कुछ ऐसा दिखना चाहिए guys. Now you have to take an empty bottle and pour contents of the bowl in the bottle. Now I'm using distilled water, but you may also use rose water if you want. But मुझे उसका कुछ use नहीं लगा because water will do the job. Rose water सिर्फ fragrance देने का काम करता है, and I prefer my products without fragrance or minimum fragrance. So here I'm using normal distilled water. Okay, so I guess this much water will do the job. Now you have to shake it very well. So now I'm going to share with you all the demo of the micellar water I made. Here you can see that I have shown you the swatches. This is Sugar Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick in the shade 43 Hot Shot. This is the swatch of waterproof liquid eyeliner from a drugstore brand called Cameo. And this is the swatch of Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. This is the waterproof variant. So now let's begin with the demo. So before using the micellar water, you have to shake it really well because we know oil and water are two immiscible liquids. So give it a thorough shake. Here I'm using this cotton. Instead of this, you may also use a cotton pad और a cotton ball, but मैं यहाँ normal cotton use कर रही हूँ. Micellar waters work on the principle of pour, press and swipe. So before opening, I'm just shaking this very well. Opening this, pouring this on this cotton. Now I am pressing it. Just press it nicely for 5 to 10 seconds. Swiping it off. You can see काफी हद तक ये रिमूव हो गया है फर्स्ट स्वाइप में ही, और आईलाइनर तो पूरा ही गायब हो चुका है. नाउ you may see.
So guys, I would like to give a little disclaimer to you all. अगर आपका माइसेलर वाटर वर्क नहीं कर रहा है, वाटरप्रूफ मेकअप रिमूव नहीं कर पा रहा है, then please try adding a bit more of olive oil. See, this is the mistake I made and then I thought कि माइसेलर वाटर वर्क नहीं करता, but this is not at all the case. This micellar water works really well. It's just the composition of ingredients that you have got to take note of.
So guys, this is it for today. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up, share as much as possible, turn that red subscribe button gray and hit the bell icon besides it. Also follow me on all my socials, link in the description bar below. Also write down in the comment section below what do you want to see next. Remember, your wish is my command. Till then, this is me Vin signing off. I shall see you in my next video. Bye.